I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by turning the feature on so you can iterate fast. Open Roblox Studio, load a simple place, and enable Assistant Preview under File, right arrow Beta Features. Once done, restart Studio when prompted to ensure the preview module loads cleanly. That prevents missing UI elements. You're enabling live suggestions and previews. This reduces trial and error. Make sure your Studio version matches the assistant's requirements, and keep a backup of the place to avoid accidental overwrites while you experiment. Now interact with the assistant to generate and preview edits. Open the assistant panel from View, pick the target, script, GUI, or terrain, and type a prompt describing the change you want. The assistant returns one or more previews. Inspect the visual diffs inline so you can compare original versus suggested changes. Once you accept a preview, the assistant stages the edits rather than immediately committing, so you can test in play mode. This safeguards workflow and makes iteration predictable and reversible. Finish by validating and committing only after testing. Run play mode, test multiplayer behavior, then commit staged edits and create a version backup or branch for rollback. If something goes wrong, check the output and developer console for errors, then reload Studio. Often conflicts come from other plugins. Disable them and retry. If the assistant preview doesn't render, confirm beta features remain enabled and update Studio. These steps ensure safe deployment and let you recover quickly if a preview introduces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.